decentralization is very tied up with the idea that code is law. So in BSV, a lot of emphasis is placed on operating in a legal context, and any entrepreneur that's starting a business, this is a very obvious point. You can't be in violation of the law. And this, at times is burdensome because you have to comply with certain things, but it also provides a security layer that if the whole premise of your ecosystem is based on law not really being able to play a role, you lose the security layer, and that has pretty dire consequences. So since Ethereum exists outside the context of law, compliance is not a priority, and law isn't there as a backstop when something goes wrong. We saw a pretty high-profile example of this early in Ethereum's life. There was a project called the Dao, and it was hacked, and there were millions of dollars worth of ether that were stolen. And in any legal context, you'd have a way to remedy this through the courts, and the benefit of it all being on a public immutable ledger would manifest in law because you have a way to track and kind of figure out what went wrong. In Ethereum, since that wasn't an option, it was kind of a technical resolution that was proposed, and people just looked to developers that were unelected and unaccountable, and they had to find a technical solution to the problem.